I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want. Huh?
Hi, Mila and Morphle. It seems that I have the flu, and I'm unable to do my work.
Can we help you, Mr. Joe? Morphle, help!
These vehicles need to be delivered to their owners quickly. But I have this list.
Uh-oh. All the names of the vehicle's owners are smudged. But I think we can still figure it out. Morphle, morph into a big red truck. I think the tractor needs to go to Police Officer Freeze. Police officer need a tractor? Yep, I think that is what it says on the list.
But this...
I'm sorry, Police Officer Freeze, but we're in a hurry. It doesn't seem right, but I think it says that we should drop off the police car here. Oh?
Whoa! Sorry! Oops! I didn't see you there.
This is impossible! Not so fast!
Oh no! I think we made a mistake, Morphle. Morph into a police car, too. Morphle, catch them! Now, let's try to use our brains and bring the vehicles to the right owners. I think this tractor belongs to Farmer Bob. And the ice cream truck must belong to the ice cream man.
Yeah!
Hey, Mila and Morphle. How did it go?
Everything has been delivered, Mr. Joe.
Oh, great. Was the list of any help?
Well...